Lauren, why don't you tell us about your homework exploring light?
I thought this was pretty cool. Since it was about light, I was thinking, what things emit light? Oh, a lighter. And lighters are so ubiquitous. Everybody has a lighter. And I was thinking about how dark the world is right now and how we have these own personal devices that are just in our pockets to light things up, but you could also light things on fire with them. So it's very dystopian and I think really speaks to the world today. And I put duct tape on it because it's also a common object. This is about sticking it to the man!
Sticking it to the man.
Okay.
I got an A, right?
Class, thoughts?
That's bullshit!
So Lauryn, we're trying to interpret industrialization for the 21st century. Can you tell us about your interpretation of the prompt?
Yeah, so I did it just for this class.
Good, good.
It's here.
I think you did so well. I mean, like, the way you juxtaposed that orange against the gray, you really balanced the saturation so well.
Thanks. I'm just gonna put it like right there.
So could you tell us why you made that choice? Because I can see you put a lot of really good thought and investment into this.
Yeah. Well, I did it. I found a lighter. I have a lot of lighters and I just picked my favorite color one. I had some duct tape and I used that and I put it on the wall.
It's fairly contemporary, but you're also acknowledging the future, which is the light, guiding people. You did so well, Lauryn. Oh my gosh. I just am so impressed with your generation. You guys just care so much. You put so much of yourself into the work.
Yeah, I really care about this class. We are really careful people and, you know, I did put a lot of work into this and thanks for seeing that.
People give you guys such a hard time, Gen Z, but I see how much you care. Well, that's my take. What do you guys think of this piece? Do you think it's really addressing the industrialization aspect of the prompt?
It's bullshit.